Stangler Garage. I know it's been a while, but just want to put a little quick video up here just to kind of make sure, let everybody know I'm still alive. Just going to do a quick little upgrade on the wife's Ranger here. As you can see, got the foggy headlights, and she was having a hard time seeing. So, got her some groovy new headlights with LED bulbs, so I'm going to be putting those in. It's a real simple process, straightforward. Anybody can do it. And these headlights anymore, you can find them on eBay. That's where I got these. Super cheap. It's I think I got less than $100 in the whole everything sitting here. So just follow along with that. And as you can see, the Mustang's still sitting here. I had my birthday the other night, and my grandkids left me some nice artwork on it, trying to give me a message of it's been sitting there too long, I guess. So gives me a little inspiration to get it going again. So here's what we got before. Pretty standard, just regular halogen bulbs in there with foggy kind of headlights. Okay, so first of all, it's got these little tangs, or whatever you want to call them. You gotta spread those out and then pull up on this. It's kind of hard to do with one hand, so see you in a second. Okay, so here are what the little clips look like. This one on this side, down in there. A little tricky to get at, but not too bad. So I used the various little picks. You got to pull this apart, these little parts here, because they stick down in these little grooves on here. As you pull those out, then you pull up on this part. See that? Pull that up. And then the only other thing is this one down here. It just snaps in by itself. These two little, sorry, there you go. These two prongs there. You got to push those in, and then it pops out. And then there's your headlight. You just unhook the light bulb itself here, and we'll switch it out. Here's the new bulb. It has the same end as the old halogen, but that just adapts the LED to that harness. So this is all old, so that goes away. Then this will go in this headlight in the back, just like that. And we'll throw that in there. Okay, here's the new LED bulb in the new housing. That'll just plug right in. So that right there. So let's throw it in there. Okay, there's the first one installed. I ended up using the one adjuster off of the old headlight because I didn't like how this one fit in the hole. Didn't want to snap in all the way. But everything else is the same. I just ran the adjusters down close to where these were just to get the headlight close. I'm still gonna have to fine tune it once I'm all done, but that looks pretty good. As you can tell, that from that, it's gonna be quite a difference and be able to see a lot better, hopefully. Let's do the next one. Well, there's an old one and there's a new one. What do you think? Look different? I think it's going to make a huge difference. You can see you got the pure white over here, and it's kind of yellow over there. So I think she'll be happy. Get the other one in there, and then we'll show what it looks like with both. I'm just... Oh, there we go. Two nice shiny headlights in. I think they look great. Back this up. There we go. I'll get the lights off here in a minute and show you how they really look. But there's a happy customer. That was her Christmas present, by the way.
Finally. Yes, thank you.
As you can see.
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's turn these lights off and then turn these other lights on and see what it looks like. Oh, yeah. So I still need to adjust them a little, but that should be.
I'm showing my happy area.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
I just can fight it out with all the other guys with bright headlights.
Yeah, exactly.
In your face. All right, I guess that does it for this one.
Thank you, husband.
You're welcome.
Merry Christmas.
Thanks for watching. I don't know if you can see me or not, but thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.